and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's YouTube video, I'm just going to recreate the Kiara Advani's makeup look from the movie Shershaah. Hope you all will be liking it. For the very first step, I'm just going to moisturize my face, and with that I'm using this PAC Moisture Lotion, and then to cover my hyperpigmentation around my mouth, I'm using this Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline and trying to blend it using a foundation brush. Her makeup in this look is very simple and everyday kind of, so I'm just going to try to achieve that look. And then moving to the foundation, I'm taking this PAC HD foundation and applying very little to cover to have some coverage, and blend it using the same foundation brush. Also covering my neck a little bit, and her look in the photo, you can see it is very matte. So to achieve that, I'm gonna set my entire face using the Fit Me compact powder. Now if you see her photo, you will be seeing a lot of blush and no contour, so I'm just gonna achieve the same look using this Fit Me blush in the shade 50. I'm just gonna apply a lot of blush to achieve the same look that she is carrying in that like in the movie. And I'm also trying to apply the blush onto my nose, and if you see her brows, it's pretty thin and prominent, not like a very like dramatic one. So I'm just gonna try to achieve the exact same thing, starting my brows from the arch, and then try to keep it as natural as possible. And to hold the shape, I'm applying this Essence brow gel. And for my eyes, if you see her picture, she do not have much of a color to her eyes. She only have little, like she has defined the creases a little bit. So for that, I'm taking any brown color that I have, and then I'm just defining the crease and also applying the leftover product that has in the brush to my lower lash line. And if you see her photo closely, you'll be seeing that there is a like dark brown sort of a color into her lid. So I'm also applying a dark brown eyeshadow to my lid. Once I'm done with that, the major attraction to the look was to apply dark kohl pencil to the lower lash line. So for that, I'm using this plum kohl pencil and applying it to the lower lash line, and then also smudging it a little bit so that it do not stain in the lower portion of my lower lash line, and also matches to her look. And I'm also doing the exact same thing to my other eyes to kind of match. And she do not have anything else but a little mascara. For that, I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, and giving several coats to my lashes to have like really defined eyelashes. And this is my favorite mascara. And for the lipstick, you can see she has a very peachy nude sort of a color on her lips. For that, I'm taking this a brown sort of a color by the Rose collection of L'Oreal, and also taking a pink sort of a color on top of it, and then mixing these two together to match the color that she's wearing. And to complete the look, I am wearing a red pinky bindi. And if you see her picture, she do not have much prominent highlighter onto her high points. I'm just taking very little and just highlighting my high points of the face so that it looks a little good. And for the hairstyle, I've kept my hair in a braid at the back, and in the front I have just have little flicks of hair. And with that, I'm done with this look. And it is a very everyday sort of a look, and anyone can carry it. And I hope you all like it, and I could recreate her look at least thoda sa. So yeah, I am not trying to look like her, I'm just recreating the makeup. So I hope you all be liking it, and if you really did, then you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Mwah.